Are you or your spouse planning to apply for a marriage-based green card soon? If so, listen up, because starting this October 2025, the U.S. government is rolling out some of the most significant changes to the marriage-based green card process in years. These updates aren't just minor tweaks. They could affect how long your application takes, the documents you need to submit, and even whether your petition is approved or delayed. For couples everywhere, whether you're newly married, waiting to apply, or somewhere in the middle of the process, these changes could mean the difference between a smooth path to your green card or frustrating months or even years of delays and uncertainty. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you absolutely must know about these new rules. From tougher evidence requirements that prove your marriage is real, to more detailed interviews, updated fees, and longer wait times, this is your one-stop guide to navigating the new landscape confidently and successfully. Don't wait until your application is stuck in limbo or, worse, denied because you weren't prepared. Stay informed, stay ahead, and make sure your green card journey is as smooth and stress-free as possible. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why these updates are happening now. Immigration policy is shaped by political, social, and administrative factors. Over the past few years, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services USCIS has been working to streamline the green card process, reduce backlogs, and improve security measures. The upcoming changes are designed to modernize procedures, improve fraud detection, and promote fairness in the system. While these goals sound positive, the reality is that new requirements and stricter scrutiny can introduce challenges for applicants. One of the biggest changes coming in October 2025 involves the documentation requirements for proving a bona fide marriage. USCIS will implement enhanced verification steps, requiring more detailed evidence that your marriage is genuine and not solely for immigration benefits. This means that couples will need to provide more comprehensive joint financial records, photographs, communication history, and affidavits from friends and family confirming the legitimacy of the relationship. Why is this important? Because marriage fraud has been a persistent issue in immigration cases. The government wants to ensure that green cards are granted only to couples who are truly committed, and not to those attempting to bypass immigration laws. For genuine couples, this means extra paperwork, but also an opportunity to showcase the depth and authenticity of your relationship. Alongside the documentation changes, USCIS is introducing new interview protocols. While marriage-based green card interviews are already a standard part of the process, the updated guidelines emphasize behavioral and situational questions designed to detect inconsistencies. Applicants should prepare thoroughly for these interviews by reviewing their relationship history, discussing daily routines, and being ready to explain shared experiences in detail. Remember, the interview is your chance to demonstrate your marriage's legitimacy, not just paperwork on a page. Another significant update relates to processing times. With increased verification measures, some applications may experience longer wait times before approval. While USCIS aims to keep delays minimal, applicants should expect a potential slowdown and plan accordingly. This means submitting your applications as early as possible and maintaining patience throughout the process. For couples where one partner is outside the U.S., consular processing updates are also in play. The State Department is updating its protocols for visa interviews and medical examinations, ensuring applicants meet all health and security standards before receiving their immigrant visas. It's critical to stay in touch with your local U.S. consulate or embassy and be ready for these new requirements. In addition, the fee structure for marriage-based green card applications is being revised. The application fees will increase slightly, reflecting administrative costs associated with the enhanced processing. While this might be an unwelcome surprise, it's important to budget accordingly to avoid delays or complications due to payment issues. Now, who exactly will be impacted by these changes? Basically, anyone filing a marriage-based green card petition from October 2025 onward. If you've already submitted your application before that date, your case will proceed under the old rules. But if you're planning to apply after the cutoff, you must be prepared for the new procedures. These updates affect U.S. citizens sponsoring foreign spouses, permanent residents sponsoring spouses, and same-sex couples alike. It's essential for all applicants to understand the new documentation expectations, interview protocols, and potential delays so they can adjust their application strategies accordingly. What steps can you take to prepare? First, start organizing your documentation now. Collect joint bank statements, mortgage or lease agreements, insurance policies listing both spouses, photographs from different occasions, travel records showing time spent together, and communication logs like emails, texts, and call histories. The more comprehensive and varied your evidence, the stronger your case will be. Second, talk openly with your spouse about your shared history, routines, and significant milestones. Practicing interview questions together can help you both feel more confident and avoid surprises during the actual USCIS interview. Third, keep an eye on official USCIS and Department of State announcements. Their websites will publish detailed guidance on the new rules as they approach, so staying informed will help you avoid last-minute scrambling. Fourth, consider consulting an experienced immigration attorney. These professionals stay up to date on the latest policy changes and can provide tailored advice to maximize your chances of success. While legal help comes at a cost, it can be a worthwhile investment in such a high-stakes process. It's also wise to remain patient and flexible. The immigration system can be slow, and new changes often bring temporary uncertainty. By starting early and preparing thoroughly, you can minimize stress and handle any obstacles with confidence. To illustrate, let's look at a typical couple's journey under the new rules. Meet Sarah, a U.S. citizen, and Ahmed, her spouse from overseas. They plan to apply for Ahmed's green card in November 2025, right after the new rules take effect. They start by gathering all their joint financial documents, travel itineraries, and photographs. They also prepare affidavits from family members who have witnessed their relationship. When Ahmed attends the consular interview, he faces detailed questions about his marriage, including how they met, their daily routines, and future plans together. Thanks to their preparation, he answers confidently and provides all the required evidence. Despite a slightly longer wait than previous applicants experienced, Ahmed's green card is approved, and the couple can finally live together in the U.S. without worry. In contrast, couples who delay preparation or submit incomplete documentation might face requests for additional evidence or even denials. This can lead to costly appeals and months of uncertainty. So, the key takeaway is clear: don't wait until October 2025 to start preparing. Whether you're newly married or have been waiting to apply, understanding and adapting to these new marriage-based green card updates is essential to protect your future together. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Have questions or experiences with the green card process? Drop a comment below. I read every message and love helping you navigate these complex immigration waters.